Out of billion of websites and blogs over the internet, there are thousands of them that are unknown by the majority of the users. Hey everyone, welcome to this week. I am Shivani and today we'll talk about the coolest yet unknown websites you wish you knew earlier. These amazing websites not only provide interesting information but also let you showcase your creativity. So let's begin with our list. Listed on number 1 is Daily Lit. This is an amazing website for all those who love reading and want to be the smartest one in the group. It also lets you go through both latest and classic titles in easy and quick read installments. On number 2 we have Make Use Of. Make Use Of, a personal favorite for people who love reading everything from tech to lifestyle. This website is loaded with useful and interesting information in layman language, making it easy for everyone to understand. On number 3 we have A Soft Murmur. A Soft Murmur is an amazing weather creation website wherein you can create your choice of weather. Just go to the website, adjust the sound levels as per your mood and feel the awesomeness and relaxation even if you are exhausted. On number 4 we have Just Watch. Keep yourself updated with the latest movies and series released on majority of streaming platforms. Visit this website and select your streaming provider to check out upcoming releases. On number 5 we have App Secure. Secure your computer with this amazing free web-based tool that detects faults and checks your router settings. Besides having a highly paid antivirus on your PC, this online tool is a reliable source to regularly check your router safety. So that's it guys, just give this website a try. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe to Systweek and for regular updates press the bell icon.